Hello everyone, welcome to Graphic Hunters. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting process of designing a business card from a real client brief. I'll guide you through understanding the client's needs, choosing the right fonts and colors, and creating a stunning design. Whether you're new to graphic design, or looking for some fresh tips, this video has something for you. We'll cover everything step by step and share some useful tips along the way. By the end, you'll know how to turn a client's vision into a beautiful business card. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any future videos. So, let's get started. As you can see friends, this is a business card request form, and I have got these information from my client. And I have to make a business card based on this information. So let's check this information form, and find and mark important thing. This is the description of the organization. He says that, I am a real estate investment broker. We specialize in acquisitions and dispositions of real estate across the country, especially commercial real estate. And his industry type is real estate and mortgage. And this is his existing website. And this is the important thing for our design, we can get idea from his website, and know which color he prefers. In the style section, he mentioned that, he needs something clean, professional and straightforward. And mentioned that, same design and colors of the website, like white, black and green. That mean, we must visit his website to know color and style. And his brand name is Helios that must need to include in business card. And this is the logo of his company. He also provides the necessary information for the business card like his name, title, phone, email and website. So friends, that's all the information which I have got from my client. So, let's designing the business card. As you know friends, I have discussed my previous video about the two main components before designing a business card. And these two components are, a finished logo, and brand color scheme. From the brief, we get the logo, and client mention his website, so that we can get the exact color and style. So let's visit the website, and collect the brand color scheme. This is the website which our clients mentioned. As you can see friends, there are three colors used in the website, black, white, and green color. So friends, I have collect the color scheme from the website, and I use this color for a business card. When you have these two things, now think about the business card size. Since the client has not mentioned his business card size, we should use the standard size of business card. And the standard size is, width 3.5 inches, and height 2 inches. So let's create a documents according to the size. When you open Adobe Illustrator software, you will see this interface. For creating a new documents, you have to go File. Then click on New. Then customize the preset. I write here business card. And change pixels to inches. And write here 3.5 inches as width. And 2 inches as height. Also take to artboard, because we have two part of the business card. Now change the color mode RGB to CMYK. And take high raster effect, that mean 300 ppi. Now go more setting. As you can see, here are lots of options you can edit your documents. Take bleed 0.125, and this is the standard size of bleed. Now click on Create Document. Okay, that's fine. As you can see friends, I have created business card documents. And this is how you can easily create your business card document. As you can see, This is bleed line, and this is trim line. But we know, there is need another line, and this line is safety line. And this safety line need to be created by yourself. For creating safety line, first take rectangle, and make a rectangular equal to artboard. Now go Object, and select Path, select Offset Path. And make offset -0.25, then click on OK. Now select the rectangular. Go Edit, and select Copy, again go Edit, and select Paste on all artboard. As you can see that, the rectangular automatically placed to another artboard. Now turn on roller by press Ctrl R. And place roller to the safety line like that. Now select the roller, and lock it by press Ctrl 2. Now delete the rectangular. Okay, that's good. As you can see friends, I have created artboard for designing our business card. Now we need necessary text for the business card, that means business holder information. The client provided these information to make a business card. As you can see friends, here is all information for business card design. So, before designing a business card, you also make sure that you have all information. So, let's designing the business card. I have discussed my previous video, how to design font part of the business card. The font part is very easy, just use the logo in the middle of the business card. And use some graphics to make the business card more professional. So friends, keep watching the video till end, how I make the business card. Thank you so much for watching this business card tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and now feel confident in designing your own professional business cards. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to see your creations, so feel free to share your designs in the comments below or tag me on social media. Thank you, see you in the next video.